Hey guys, so what we're going to learn about today is how to create a project inside of 360 Sync. It's really pretty easy, and you'll see we should be able to get this done in 3 minutes or less. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to click on the projects button right up here in the top left corner. You'll see how many projects we have going. If you roll over one, notice that you've got all kinds of options over here. You can actually run an existing one, or if you click the little ellipses, then you could schedule one or create a shortcut or edit the name or even delete that project. But what we want to do is we want to actually add a project. So I'll come in here and I'll click add project. So typically you'd want to name your configuration after the project that you're about to set up. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to name this after who I'm doing the demo for. So we're going to call this 360 Sync project demo. I'll hit save. And so now I'm just going to hit add mapping. And so we'll call this one submittals, because what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to move our submittals from BIM 360 to Procore. And so now I'll come in here, I'll pick my docs site that I want to connect to, then I'll pick the docs project that I want to connect to, and then I'll pick the folder that I want to connect to. So I'm going to come down here and I'll pick my submittals. So there we go, we've got our submittals selected. Now I'm going to come over here to Procore, and the same thing. I'm going to pick I've already picked the data source, so now I'm going to pick the company that I want to connect to. So that's XL Construction, then to the project, and then to the folder name. So I'll scroll down here. I will find my submittals folder, and there we go. So now I'm going to be moving all of my submittals from BIM 360 into Procore. So now if I was done, then I could just hit save. But I actually also want to move my R5s. So I'm just going to come in here and hit save and new, or save and duplicate. And this time, instead of it being named submittals, it's going to be named R5s. So we'll pick this folder, and then I'll scroll down, and then I'll find my R5s folder down here. So there it is. So I'm going to be moving my R5s from BIM 360 to Procore. Same project. This time, again, I'm going to find my R5s folder inside of here. So I'm going to scroll down, go to R5s. Oh, and I can see that's not there. Well, that's not a problem. All I have to do is just hit create folder, and then just name the folder whatever I need it to be named. Hit create, and then 360 Sync is going to create a folder inside of the data source that I'm connecting to right on the fly. So we've got I've got my R5s folder there. I'm just going to hit save. And then again, if I needed to connect to another folder, I could hit save and duplicate, but I'm just going to hit save. And so once I do that, basically I've got my mapping saved. So there's a whole bunch of things I can do. I could enable or disable any one of these mappings. I could trash it, or I could run or schedule or change the advanced settings of this particular project. So if I were just to hit run right there, it's going to start running. Okay. And then again, same thing. If I come back here, I can come and schedule this, or I could view the log, or I could even create a desktop shortcut. But that's for another video. So hopefully that this was helpful. Hopefully you now understand how easy it is to create a project inside of 360 Sync. So thanks for watching.